Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about jealousy. Are you suffering from jealousy as well? क्या हर कोई आपको बार बार बुरी नज़र से देखता है? आपको हमेशा काली नज़र लग जाती है? आप कहीं पे भी जाते हैं, लोग आपके पीठ पीछे बातें करते हैं, आपके साथ हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ बुरा होते रहता है और आप सोचते हैं अरे मेरा इतना अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट हाथ से निकल गया, मस्ट बी पीपल आर जेलस ऑफ मी। कलीग्स आपकी खिंचाई करते हैं, आपकी टांग खींचते हैं, आप जब कुछ अच्छा अचीव करते हैं आपको लेके खुश नहीं होते, वो हमेशा आपसे जेलस करते रहते हैं। महिलाओं का अपना खुद का लाइफस्टाइल अलग ही है। व्हेन दे आर ड्रेस अप वेल, पीपल आर रियली गेटिंग जेलस ऑफ देम एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट रियली हैपन वेरी ऑन एंड ऑफ इन देयर लाइफ। बट हैव यू एवर रियलाइज्ड व्हाई? If you want to know why you experience these kind of things, please watch this video till the end. I welcome you to Spiritual Vibrations. My name is Payal Datta. I'm a fashion designer turned energy alchemist. Previously, I used to design for your body. Now, I design for your mind and soul. Today, I am coming up with this topic because most of the people, most of my clients, they really come to me and say that we suffer from this very deep pattern of jealousy. No matter we also change our office, we still experience jealousy. No matter I have left my location, if I was staying in some city, I have changed the city, I have come to a completely different city, still I experience jealousy as if that pattern has always extended to any new place I go to. Thereafter, I actually went through a lot of other cases and I actually came to a withdrawal situation wherein I could understand the reason why it is happening with so many people in the same way. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you why jealousy happens to you, and specifically to those people. Not everybody experiences jealousy, but there are few who actually experience this pattern jealousy, wherein the pattern never ends. Even if you change your spouse, even if you change your office, your boss, you change your city, you change your country, this jealousy system keeps going wherever you go. So let's now analyze why this thing is happening with you. So first, I would like you to sit at a place quietly and first think about the first time you were inspired by somebody. And that person should not be like somebody outstanding, but somebody from your own class, or somebody like your own brother or sister, or your cousins, or somebody your own best friend, or maybe his brother or sister. So find out in your childhood when you were impressed by somebody, what kind of emotions were you generating? If you really be honest to yourself, and as per the research and the clients I have gone through, I've always seen that it is a sense of jealousy. So this is what you have always given first. And now the pattern has become engraved in your own life. First, you gave this jealousy to them and you created your own self. So आपने पहले किसी को जेलस किया बचपने में आप किसी का अच्छा देखते थे, आप सोचते थे मैं भी ऐसा करूँगा, और आप करते भी थे या फिर नहीं कर पाते थे. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट सिनारियो. But if you used to like something about somebody and if your profound experience was jealousy, that is the seed which was placed long back in your childhood. And then it continued because you are a person from the very basic is that you always feel jealous of others. हमेशा जज करते रहने की आदत है, हमेशा देखते रहने की आदत है, क्या उससे मेरा उससे, ये जो कंपैरिजन वाली जो हैबिट अगर आपके अंदर है और ये आपके अंदर होगी, ये हो सकता है पेरेंट्स भी आपको एक्सपोजर दे रहे हो, या रिलेटिव्स भी आपको एक्सपोजर दे रहे हो, या एनवायरनमेंट भी आपको एक्सपोजर दे रही होगी कंपैरिजन की, बट वो एक इनेट नेचर है आपकी जो आप भी किसी और की खुशी में थोड़ा जेलस फील करते हैं, किसी और के अचीवमेंट में ज़रा सा जेलस फील करते हैं, और ये आप बचपन से करते आ रहे होंगे. एंड इफ़ यू एवर एक्सपीरियंस दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग, always remember, now if everybody is feeling jealous of you, it is nothing but the cycle has now like it's been spinning for long and now it is very difficult for you to stop and it keeps continuing. So आपने जो दिया था अब आपको वो मिल रहा है. So it's your nature which you had actually created, which is extremely inbuilt within you. It is a very next nature of yours which you are not aware of. Now, for instance, you from today start analyzing yourself. Whenever you see something very interesting which you really feel like having for your own, do you feel jealous to see that thing with others? से सपोज़ आपको एक मोबाइल फ़ोन लेना होगा जो आपको बहुत दिन से इच्छा है, और आपने अगर अपने नेक्स्ट डोर फ्रेंड के पास वो देखा, या फिर आपने कलीग पे पास देख लिया, या फिर एक फीमेल है उसने अपनी भाभी के पास देख लिया, तो क्या आप कैसी फील करते हैं? अरे वाह, तुमको मिल गया, आई वॉज एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर इट. या फिर आप देख के अंदर ही अंदर, यार आई वॉन्टेड इट एंड सी दैट पर्सन हैज़ इट, उसको मिल गया, मुझे नहीं मिला. If this kind of a tendency you have within you, beware, this is going to roll more. और इसीलिए आपको भी लोग बहुत jealous करते हैं, because that is the energy which you are giving in the universe, and whatever you give in the universe, you get that back 10 times more in your life. तो कई लोग हमारे साथ इस तरह का तर्क करते हैं कि मैं इतना नहीं जेलस करता, मैं इतना नहीं सोचता किसी के बारे में. बट आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, क्लोज योर आइज, बी ऑनेस्ट जस्ट टू योर सेल्फ. इज देयर अ सिंगल percent of jealousy coming in your mind when you see that thing in others? And that is what is going to grow furthermore. It goes into the universe, and with the help of law of attraction, it attracts furthermore jealousy situations, and whatever you achieve, people start finding, seeing, getting jealous of you. And yes guys, this is one of the core reason why people experience jealousy, because they have given the same emotions to other in their childhood and they are continuing the pattern. So you also are a very jealous person. You also don't like somebody to achieve something better than you. Whenever the other person experience something better than you, you really find it difficult to digest, and that point in time really hurts you. And again, you get into that rat race of achieving better than that. And when you achieve better than that, you expect people to like it, but you again receive jealousy from others. Think, rethink, and focus and analyze your past, your current, and see how your future works. For example, देखिए कि आप कैसा करते थे, देखिए आप कैसा करते हैं, और आप ये देखिए कि जब आप अचीव कर लेते हैं, जब किसी का कुछ अच्छा देखकर आप जेलस फील करते हैं, और जब आप उसको पा लेते हैं, उसके बाद आफ्टर रिजल्ट फ्यूचर में देखिए क्या लोग आपको जेलस कर रहे हैं. और अगर हाँ, तो उसी दिन से टोटली स्टॉप कर दीजिए, जेलसी मत करिए. I'll give you the upay right away. I'll give you the remedy right away. The remedy is, whenever somebody is jealousing you, because right now you've already created a cycle, the cycle has to come back to you now. The cycle has to stop. You have to stop the momentum of the cycle now. So for that reason, what are you supposed to do? Whenever somebody is getting jealous of you, tell yourself, a self-talk should be very loud inside your mind. You just have to tell yourself, this is a popularity. People are acknowledging me. They are noticing me. First thing. Second thing, if they are jealous of you, remember you have something which they don't have. And that's the reason why they are jealous of you. Which means you are one page ahead them. And that means you are better than them. So that gives you a feeling of gratitude towards them. You must internally say thanks to them for acknowledging that you have achieved something which they really wanted. It's a very beautiful expression. Take it in a very sweet way. As it's always in the film industry, they say any publicity is a good publicity. If somebody is getting jealous of you, always remember you are the person who is in spotlight. Enjoy the spotlight, okay? So If you are in future experiencing jealousy in your life, you should be very happy. You should be very profound. Take that jealousy energy, convert that jealousy energy in such a way that it becomes popularity for you in your mind when you speak to yourself. That if somebody is jealous of me, which means I am becoming popular, means people are noticing me, means I have something which they don't have. So make it in a different way. If they are copying you, they are trying to pull you down, always remember, if they are copying you, which means you have something better than them, that's why they are copying you. And if they are pulling you down, which means you are really going really high, that's the reason why they are trying to pull you down. So you get more power to go faster than them, so that you can take a leap of speed, that you can get far away from them. So, in return, don't give them hatred. In fact, give them thanks from the depth of your heart that they are making you realize that you are achieving something good in your life. Don't expect gratitude from their end. Give gratitude from your own end, and you will receive that thing 10 times more from the universe. Follow this technique. Let me know in the feedback, in the comment box. Do you also see such changes in your life when you started applying this? And I would love to see how your life changes through such small techniques. And jealousy is nothing but an amazing publicity you experience in your life. So now start cherishing your publicity. Change your analogy, change the context of jealousy to popularity. Have a lovely day. Atma Namaste.